Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and to me, everything is better when it has bubbles. So I absolutely love sparkling water for that reason, because it is a really refreshing way to stay hydrated, and it's just a little bit more fun than plain water. So I love this Waterloo Cherry Limeade Sparkling Water. It tastes delicious, and it is super bubbly and fun to drink, and I just absolutely love it. I love that there is no sugar, no calories, and that it's just natural flavors and sparkling water. There's nothing artificial about it, and it's just the perfect little refreshing drink. So I love to have this just straight out of the can. I also love to add a little squeeze of lime or other citrus just for a little bit more of a citrus hit to it. Either way, it's super tasty. So if you love sparkling water, you are gonna love Waterloo Cherry Limeade. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.